Alright guys, yesterday we learned how to use a new web tool. It's called Edistorm. So you're going to go to my website this morning, click on Apps and Web 2.0, go back to Edistorm. And if you did not get a chance to sign up yesterday, please make sure you choose the sign up option. And remember, whenever you use a username and password, please try to keep it the same as your blog. For those of you that have already signed up, all you need to do is go here and log in. And this will take you to your Edistorm page. What you need to do first is make sure you've completed what I wanted you to do yesterday. So if you'll go back to my website and click on Collaboration, choose the hour that you're in. I'm going to use 8th hour as an example. Click on your hour, and this will load your class page for the Edistorm that I started about inside the Earth. Remember, I had 3 questions for you. The first question is, how do scientists know what's inside the Earth? I'd like for you to answer that question in pink. So you type your answer here, and then you will add your idea to the page. It will show up there. The second question that I asked you to answer was, if you could go there, as in go there inside the Earth, what would you find? I want you to answer that one in green. So again, put your answer here and then add it to the storm. And the last question I asked was, how deep or wide or thick do you think the Earth is? And I wanted that one answered in blue. If you typed an answer yesterday and you realize you put it in the wrong color, so let's say I accidentally made this one in purple, oops, it's supposed to be in green, you can click right here on the actions and you can edit what you typed. You can delete it if you need to, or you can change its color to the color that it was supposed to be. Alright, once you have finished adding the answers to the 3 questions from yesterday, you can close that out. If you go back to your Edistorm homepage, I'd like you to go to Storms and create a storm. So you're going to create your own storm. You can give it a name. We're talking about inside Earth. And we're going to do a KWL today, which is a know, want, learn. You've done these before. So right here on Storm Template, if you go down, there should be an Education KWL template. And that's pretty much all you need to do. If you go down here and click Create, it will create your template for Know, Want, Learn. Here we go. And you kind of have to scroll up, and you can scroll over and notice that it says things I know, things I want to know, things I've learned. Alright, so there's your template. Once you guys have created your Know, Want, Learn Edistorm, before you start putting your answers in there, one thing I'd like you to do real quick is copy your Edistorm link, go to your blog, make sure you're logged into your blog, and create a new post. And when you create a new post, call it Edistorm, paste in the link, hit publish, and now the link to your Edistorm is in your blog, and this way other students can go to your Edistorm and they can also post some Know, Want, Learns. So please do that first before you start putting in the things you know, want, and learn. That way if somebody finishes before you, they can go to your blog, click on your link, and they can add things into your Edistorm Know, Want, Learn. What you're going to do is you're going to add ideas to this about things that you already know about inside the Earth. Okay? Maybe you think that it's hot. Alright? You're going to add 5 things that you already know. Alright, you're going to go over here to things I want to know. You're going to add 5 things that you want to know. Okay, maybe you didn't know, so you want to know how thick is the crust. Alright, and you're going to put that in things I want to know. And then over here in things that I've learned, when you find the answer to this, how thick the crust is, you can put that answer in things that I've learned. The crust is 30 miles thick. Now you can find these answers by just looking online and trying to find the answers to the things you wanted to know. Once you have that done, all I want you to do is go up here to the top. Remember, I want 5 in each. You should have 5 things you know, 5 things you want to know, and then obviously find the 5 answers. If you're not finding the 5 answers you need, maybe you should change the things you want to know to something that's maybe a little easier to find the answer to. That is your assignment for today.